Foxit AI Assistant lets me unlock insights from images, just like I would from a document. I've got some images from the crew on a construction project of a new video studio. I need to update my team on the progress. Let's make these pictures talk. In the AI Assistant tab, I'll choose AI Chat. I'll click the Add Documents icon. I can add up to 10 PNG or JPEG files, up to 5 megabytes each. First, I want to know what these images are showing me. I'll just ask the AI. Now, I'll ask the AI to build a progress report from these images. I'll copy this text. Let's use AI Assistant to create a new PDF I can use for my report. Here's an image of the city's inspection notice they attached to the wall of the room. I'll extract the text from this image and add it to my report. I'll open the original project roadmap PDF. It's got some graphs noting milestones and budget. I want to check if our actual progress aligns with the plan. I'll use this snapshot tool to grab the budget chart, then click Ask AI. The image will appear in the chat. I'll click Explain this image. Next, I'll highlight the milestone timeline graph and ask, are we on schedule based on this? I'll copy the insights right into my project status report. Back to my original images. I'll have AI Assistant generate social media descriptions. I want to localize those for our French team. Perfect. Everything's done. With Foxit AI Assistant, I can turn images into useful, shareable information in seconds. Chatting with images is ideal for jump-starting healthcare diagnoses, making quick quality control assessments in manufacturing, or streamlining customer support. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.